Hi guys, hope you're all fine. I think you might have watched the previous video, which is part 1 of the Phonics series. Today in this video I'm going to share few DIY worksheet ideas for part 1. And before that, if you are new to this channel, do please check out the previous video. That is the first step to teach phonics to kids. So the link which I shared in the description box of the previous video is a phonics song. That is the song exactly which I used for my kid to start phonics. I always follow a playful way of teaching, so introducing new concepts through rhymes or songs is what I highly recommend because it helps them to grasp the concept in a quick, easy and joyful way. So now you might have taught the individual sounds of all the 26 letters. In the next step, with all those sounds, we can teach them to identify the beginning sound of any word. For example, show a flashcard with a picture of a cat and ask the child to identify the name. When the child says that is a cat, you ask them for how did they start to pronounce the word cat. That is, by what sound the word cat begin with. This way you can teach them to identify the beginning sound. Do the same with lots of different pictures until the kids are thorough with the concept of beginning sound. Once they are good with this beginning sound, they can identify any particular word without actually reading it completely. Let me give an example for how this works. I'm writing the words cow, house and lamp. And now ask the child to identify the word cow. The kid will look for the beginning sound k and will guess the right word. This is how we teach kids to identify the word using beginning sound. So now let me show you some DIY worksheets to practice this beginning sound. Actually, we have done tons of worksheets on this. I'm sharing few of them. My child aged 4 can read a simple sentence without my help. We have done lots and lots of practice for this. What I am actually telling is you can put so much hard work and effort in teaching, but practice is going to make it a real success. So for any concept you are teaching, please do lots and lots of worksheets and activities. Now let's quickly head into the worksheet ideas. So here I have 10 pages of worksheets, and this was freshly prepared for the video purpose. As I said earlier, we have done lots of worksheets on this topic, but I cannot show all those as a sample for you because my kid has done those worksheets. He has colored, he has written on that, so it looks little messy. That doesn't seem presentable, so I made all these worksheets. This is the first worksheet, and here I have matched to the beginning sound. So here I have divided the sounds, all the 26 sounds, into like 6 categories, 6 sets. In the next video I will tell you on what basis I have divided these sounds into 6 sets. So the worksheet goes like this. I have sounds on one side and I have drawn few pictures on the other side. Kid has to match the beginning sound with the exact picture. Here your child might get a doubt like where to use C and where to use K, as both sound similar. There is a rule for using C and K, and I will be telling you that in the coming videos. Phonics has few rules like this, and I will be telling all those in my Phonics series, so don't miss any part of this Phonics series. Do please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that when I post a new video you will get the notification. So I have 6 set where the kid has to match the beginning sound with the picture. Here you can see a different picture in set 4. I don't know how many of you can understand, identify the picture. That is drawn by my son. He claims it to be a table fan. So the next worksheet is to choose the correct beginning sound. Here I have given a picture, and next to it I have given 3 options. The child has to pick the right one. Here I have given 12 pictures, and you can do more worksheets in this particular pattern. So the next worksheet is to write the beginning sound. Pictures are given here and kid has to write the correct beginning sound. So the next worksheet is write 2 things or words that have the same beginning sound. For this worksheet you can use either words or pictures or both. What the kid has to do is he or she must find out the 2 words or 2 pictures that has the same beginning sound. This is another wonderful worksheet. You can try this with lots of words and pictures. Next worksheet is to draw a picture that starts with the given sound. So these are the 10 pages of worksheet, and These are simple to prepare yet much effective. If you don't have time to prepare all these worksheets, you can buy it from me. These worksheets are more engaging and kids will not get bored soon. PDF copy of these 10 pages of worksheet is just 50 rupees. If you would like to buy, you can WhatsApp me through this number. That's all about today's video. Do please give a like and share if it is really useful for you. Don't miss any part of this phonics series. Do please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for your support.